The Laban Sports Social and Cultural Organization organized the 22nd Meritorious Award for Students 2025 at the Susotham Auditorium State Central Library, Shillong, where 444 students from the Laban area were honored for their academic achievements. As part of the felicitation, the organization awarded laptops and other incentives to the toppers, while the remaining students received mementos and souvenirs as a gesture of encouragement. The event was attended by South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Addressing the gathering, Preston Tinsong said Shulai's induction into the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 cabinet was well deserved, pointing out that his contributions went beyond South Shillong and extended to the state as a whole. He observed that Shulai's initiative had significantly uplifted South Shillong and added that leaders like him had set an example worth following. Preston Tinsong also expressed confidence that with consistent encouragement for students, Meghalaya would be able to achieve a 100% literacy rate by 2028.
Followed by Nazira Nongrum, Laban Asmi. Dayarisha Palyar, Laban Presbyterian. A huge round of applause for Babita Kumari. Position 49.33%. A huge round of applause. Babita Kumari, Arya Vidhyalaya Secondary.
And I would request all of you to further extend your blessing, your prayers upon him so that he can further give the best services in his journey as a politician. Friends, and especially the students who are supposed to receive this special recognition done by the organization. I think you don't want to prolong anymore because you would like to see this important gift which is lying before all of you. But let me tell you one thing. The initiative taken by the organization under the leadership of the President, the executive members, I think has really increased the motivation to all the students of the Shillong South constituency. I just asked Sanbor, is there any trend of increasing or decreasing the outcome of the examination, different examination that we have annually? And he said, Tinsong, the trend is very good, very positive. It keeps increasing. 444 students, this is not a joke. Only from your constituency alone. We have 60 constituencies. I don't know my constituency how many hundreds we have. But I wish I should also follow your footsteps.